why you're not responsible for that. Because the last thing you want is you don't have your contract that says, listen, if your account gets banned, it's not on us. It's just not, because if your payment fails a couple times and Facebook bans you, it's not on me. It's not my fault that your cards are just useless.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Like, that's one of the most annoying things too, is that when you're trying to do fulfillment and the client's card fails, and you're just like, okay, like, why can't you just update a card? Can you give us the card? No, I'll just go put it in later. And then like they kick it down the road, and this was before contracts. Now they do it within a couple hours. Like, they're very fast with it now, because I'm like, listen, your ads are going to decrease in performance if you don't update this card as fast as possible. That's how I do it, because technically it does. I don't know if you guys know this, but like when an ad account gets disabled, your cost per impression and reach goes a lot higher. And you have to basically now restart from zero to get your ads back to the right attribution. Like, that's a real thing. Also, if it gets disabled more than twice, your account quality is now dropping, and you're kind of like, because Facebook ranks your ads in 3 tiers. So tier 1 is kind of just like, okay, you run ads on Facebook, you've been compliant, but they're not really getting that much engagement, and you've had, you know, some disables. Second one is, okay, your ads are running, you're getting some type of results, you know, some of your ads that's are in Learning Limited, but you're, you know, accumulating leads, you're spending X amount of money. And then tier 3 is when your ads are getting a ton of engagement, you're ranking high on the feed. Like, they actually have this ranking system. And it's like, when you're getting disabled, your ad performance declines because they're dropping you on the feed. Maybe people have to scroll more to find your ad, or have to go through more Instagram stories to find your ad.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30.